The COVID-19 pandemic introduced an emergency to address ventilation in the center school's two oldest buildings. So why is Hampton School District asking for $2 million for indoor air quality improvements now? The solution to air quality during the pandemic was only meant to be temporary. These are the air scrubber units you may see in classrooms and around these two buildings. These units are safe, but require heavy, regular maintenance. They're also noisy and don't introduce cleaner outside air into the building like every other ventilation system in every other school building in Hampton. In fact, Hampton tried to replace this temporary system using federal emergency relief dollars called ESSER funds. However, our request for proposals to do this work under the federal program received no bids. It's for these reasons that Hampton School District chose to include this $2 million in indoor air quality improvements at the center school in this year's budget, which the school board recommended by a unanimous vote of 5-0.
We invite you to dive deeper into our 2024 to 2025 budget by navigating to this link, and encourage you to connect with us if you have any questions.
When everyone participates, our community can only grow stronger. Make your voice heard by voting in the town election on March 12th.